Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log into the Bilibili Comics app on your Android device. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Bilibili Comics app. After the home page of the Bilibili Comics app opens up on your screen, on the bottom right corner of your screen you'll see the Me option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the Me option, you'll be guided to another page. On this page, just on the top of your screen, you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the Login button, you'll be guided to another page where you'll have to fill in your credentials. You'll have to fill in your email address here, your password here, and then click on the Login button. Once you click on the login button and if you have filled in those credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged into your account in the Bilibili Comics app. I hope this video helped you to log into your account in the Bilibili Comics app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.